These are my 5 steps on how to be a chef. Step 1. You need the right tools. Ow! Never give away your secret ingredient.
I like my coffee extra crunchy.
Consistency is great. I love it.
I have some coffee for you.
Thank you. Ooh, this coffee tastes good. What's the secret ingredient?
Cinnamon.
Step 3. Your food needs to be top quality and everybody needs to like it.
Oh, you're perfect. Have some food for you.
Oh, thanks again.
Tell me if you like it.
Is that chicken?
Why, you don't like my food?
Step 4. You need to learn how to use your kitchen appliances. My ears! My ears! Ah! Off! Ah! Stop, drop, and roll. Stop, drop, and roll. Ah, Dad! It's raining. Step 5. Be sanitary.
Oh, this pan's dirty. Absorb. Stop, Daddy!